Hello and welcome to my online presentation. My name is Leila Goodarzi. I'm a postdoctoral researcher at Groundwater Research Center at USP. I'm working on integrated water resources management and overcoming insecurity, which is a part of the SACRI project under supervision of Professor Hirata and financially supported by FAPESP. Our case study is Bauru City, which is located in the state of Sao Paulo. First, I would like to talk briefly about the water supply in this city and the importance of our study. As you can see on the screen, Guarani Aquifer System is the main water supply source in this city, and it provides almost 65% of Bauru water supply. Groundwater table in this region is decreasing rapidly, almost 1 meter per year due to intense pumping. So managed aquifer recharge in this region is essential. 25% of Bauru water supply comes from surface water from Batalha River that you can see the location of this river on the left side. As you know, in the state of Sao Paulo, we have rainy summers and dry winters. So the part of the city which is supplied by surface water faces many problems during dry seasons. And finally, 10% of the water supply comes from private wells in Bauru Aquifer, and there are many irregular private wells with no information about them. So Bauru is a perfect laboratory to understand the water crisis and to test the solutions. In the first step of our work, we evaluated the opportunities for applying managed aquifer recharge, which is briefly called MAR, in the state of Sao Paulo, and how to face its technical, environmental, institutional, and sociocultural challenges. We have submitted the results of this part of our work in 2 different ISI papers. We responded to the reviewers' comments, and we expect these 2 papers to be published soon. Furthermore, we are providing a manual on managed aquifer recharge in Sao Paulo to facilitate the safe and sustainable development of MAR, to define the criteria for MAR application, to identify the needs, and to assess the required regulations. Our second activity is optimization of irrigation water allocation using 2 different models. 2 different allocation models, one priority-based and another hydroeconomic model. And we submitted the results of this part in another paper, and we are waiting for the reviewer's response. And our last activity is assessing the climate change impacts on future water availability in Brazil on both surface and groundwater resources, and to discuss where groundwater makes a difference in promoting more resilient water use. The results of this part and the first version of the papers are ready, and this paper also is almost in submission. Besides those ISI papers, we presented the results of our work in 3 different congresses orally. In this slide, you can see our future activities, including integrated surface groundwater modeling. We will present a framework for the conjunctive use of surface water and groundwater using Hubem mudflow model. We will conduct field visits to understand the challenges and to incorporate them into our strategies. And finally, we will conduct statistical downscaling and bias correction for climate change impact assessment in Bauru. Thank you very much for your attention. Here is my contact in case of any questions.